Man, that's what I'm saying, man.
Hey,
Talk to me.
Us, bro.
What y'all got going?
All the content.
What's your name?
Raw Honor.
What you saying? What's your content? What you got going? You ain't got no podcast?
We got everything.
Oh, y'all just doing y'all thing?
What you got?
I'm Go Talk podcast, Go Talk TV. I do sports. I can, but I do like sports. I do like the best athletes that ever like came through Louisiana and all that. So like,
check Arcadia
I'm
on the website.
Arcadia. You like you hoop? Talk to me.
C8.
Who that is? Hold on, talk to me. You in school right now?
Yeah, my name DeAsia Alexander.
Hell nah, God's so good. Hold on, what you play? Shooting guard? You the three? And for Arcadia High School? Y'all play Huntington this year?
Yep.
When y'all play them? Yeah. Oh, I got.
You don't see us.
All right, y'all play. And what's your name? DeAsia what?
Alexander.
What number you with?
5.
Number 5. What class or what?
27.
Class 2027. All right, what? All right, what's your top three schools you looking at that would you like to go to if you your dream schools?
LSU, South Carolina.
Talk loud.
LSU, South Carolina, Ohio State.
Ohio State. You like Ohio State basketball?
No,
and
not Ohio State. NC State.
NC State.
Yeah.
All right. So, what is your favorite thing about your game? Like, what's the number one thing you think you pride yourself in your basketball game? Like, what you think you are? Like, you know how on 2K you have an archetype. So what you think your archetype would be?
Like rebounder.
Rebounder. You'll be a rebounder. Blocking and so you'll be a defender.
Yeah.
You're a defender, all around defender. All right. So what's your name again? DeAsia Alexander, Arcadia High School, class 2027. All right. Shout out. Go Talk TV.